You're doing everything wrong, and deep down, you already know it. You're checking her Instagram. You're replaying old texts. You're waiting. Stop. Because everything you've been taught about getting her back, it's backwards. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. Here's what's actually happening in her mind right now. She doesn't miss the guy who was always available. She doesn't miss the guy who texted back in 10 seconds. She doesn't miss the guy who made her his entire world. That guy made her feel suffocated. The man she actually misses, the one she fell for, was confident, had his own life, had goals, had energy that pulled her in. But somewhere in the relationship, that man disappeared. And the moment he did, so did her attraction. Now here's the part nobody tells you, and this is going to sound crazy. The more you chase her, the further she runs. The more you need her, the less she wants you. But the moment you genuinely stop needing her to come back, that's the exact moment she starts coming back. This isn't a mind game. This isn't manipulation. This is just how attraction works. Women aren't attracted to men who need them. They're attracted to men who want them, but don't need them. There's a massive difference. A man who wants a woman but doesn't need her, that's confidence. A man who needs a woman and pretends he doesn't, she sees right through it. But a man who genuinely doesn't need anyone's validation, that's rare, that's powerful, that's magnetic. So what do you actually do? Step 1, stop performing, start building. Hit the gym, not for her, for you. Because a disciplined body builds a disciplined mind. And when you walk into a room with that energy, people feel it. She will feel it. Step 2, find your purpose. What are you building right now? What gets you out of bed? If the answer is, I'm waiting to see if she texts, that's your problem. You need a mission, a goal, something bigger than one person's opinion of you. Step 3, rebuild your social world. Call up those friends you ghosted. Go out, have experiences, laugh, live, because nothing screams, I've moved on louder than a man who's genuinely enjoying his life. Step 4, do the inner work, the clinginess, the jealousy, the anxiety. Those didn't appear out of nowhere. Deal with them. Therapy, books, reflection, whatever it takes. Because if you get her back without fixing yourself, you'll just lose her again. And here's what happens next. She will reach out. Maybe a casual, hey, how have you been? Maybe I've been thinking about you. This is where most men blow everything. Their heart races, their hands shake. They pour everything out. I've missed you so much. Can we talk? And just like that, all the progress is gone. Here's what you do instead. You respond like a man who's moved forward. Warm, brief, unbothered. Hey, I've been good. Staying busy. Hope you're well. That's it. No emotional hooks, no chasing. Then you go back to your life, and she'll sit there wondering, why isn't he jumping at this? Now she's uncertain. Now she's thinking about you. Here's the biggest shift you need to make. Stop asking, how do I get her back? Start asking, how do I become the man she can't stop thinking about? Because when you build yourself up for real, not as a tactic, but as a lifestyle, everything changes. You become the challenge again. You become the prize again. You become the man she has to earn, not the man begging to be chosen. And if she comes back, great. You evaluate whether she fits into the life you've built. If she doesn't come back, you're so focused on your growth that it barely registers. That's real power. That's real confidence. That's real attraction. If this hit different, subscribe. Drop a comment below. What's one thing you're going to start building today? Because your transformation doesn't start when she comes back. It starts right now.